to another video. Happy Friday. We're going to be replacing the window, a passenger side window on a Scion XB. A buddy of mine, his window got broken. There's a backstory to it, but we're going to go ahead and get that replaced, so stay tuned. Also, we are working towards 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Again, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching these videos, go ahead and subscribe. It helps boost the channel, brings video to other people, and look, at the end of the year, we're going to do a giveaway if we hit the 1,000 subs by the end of December. And for this giveaway, I'm thinking I'm going to do $200 and maybe something else. I'm still trying to figure out the details. Again, it's really tough right now because I don't actually earn any income from YouTube. So once I hit the 1,000 subs and I get my watch hours, the 2,000 watch hours that I need, then I'll actually be able to start earning some income towards the channel, and we can actually use that money to reincorporate, buy more parts, buy more stuff, do giveaways and all that kind of stuff. So if you're not subscribed, please consider it. Okay, so yeah, we gotta get this window done now. So Elliot got a window over here.
Got a
brand new window actually, so this is the first time I've ever seen an unboxing of a passenger side window brand new. Oh, and there's no tint on it either, so now...
Well, I mean, there's no tint on the other one either, it's all stock.
Oh, there wasn't? Okay.
So, lucky me.
I'm gonna show you how to take off the door card on the XB. Let's go. Okay, so to take off the panel, we have to take off the tweeter, we have to take off the little panel behind the door. I think there's a screw in here. We take this off. Should be one screw, and the rest should just pop right off. Right.
No, I'm just supposed to. Alright, how does this?
That you just gotta
pop it?
Yeah.
You got a plastic popper, sir?
Yeah, I got a plastic popper. Always use a plastic popper, sir.
I just hate plastics.
I do too. I don't think there's an exact science for this one, but I just kinda
do that.
Yeah. Unplug it.
Yep.
Like, there's actually a tweeter in there that's break it. I think you just broke it.
Well, kind of.
Oh. Don't do that, ladies and
But
gentlemen.
do I care?
Does it work?
It still works, it's just...
Alright, so let's try not to break that. And the next piece is right here.
For sure.
This one, for
No, it
me,
goes this way.
made a loud pop when I did mine.
Part that I always hate about working on a customer's car. So I'm like, don't break the plastic, don't break the plastic. Snap, ah crap, broke the plastic.
There should be a screw in there.
Yep, one right behind the handle.
Don't lose your screws.
So far.
I'm just gonna take that off. There we go. Plug it just in case, don't rip it.
Yeah.
I believe.
We know what happened last time I tried to just unplug it.
I think there's this one screw somewhere.
Yeah, I feel like there was one more. I'm forgetting about.
It's not on the bottom now. It's Toyota, they don't do that. Alright. Now it's just time to take out the rest of the body clips. Always use a plastic one so you don't damage the plastic or scratch the paint. You know, there's actually a groove on the bottom of the door, too. Against the door, right against the frame, there's a little slit, yeah. I can't remember where it's at, but you could definitely feel the gap.
Yeah, that's what she's in.
Shut your mouth.
Oh yeah, right there. Alright, going back to the corner. I was making progress there. He started telling me about gaps and stuff, and the gap didn't let me in.
Ooh. Oh, wait, that's probably glass, actually.
Yeah, actually, I think that was plastic. It didn't have a crack sound. It had a plastic.
No, there's glass right there next to your foot.
That is, but something went under the car.
Yeah, that was a body clip. You're good.
Oh,
there's glass everywhere.
We got ourselves a right mess.
Use a tool right here on the side because it will like almost cut your finger. Slide it up. Just slide up. Yeah. And I used the cup holder last time as leverage. There you go. This one lifts up a little bit.
Ta-da!
Your foam's broken.
What the hell was that?
That's the foam for the door.
Kill.
The armrest.
Kill.
Right.
Actually, probably kill.
Well, so we have the door guard off now. This is the lock and door handle. Just like a throttle cable style, you have to remove it. And then we have to take off all of this plastic. Now we're probably just gonna peel it down because we need to get access to these. Now there is a separate panel here, but I don't want to rip this. I'd rather just pull it down and have maybe reconnect all this afterwards. This stuff is super sticky. It's like
the
fresh.
tar of sticky tack.
It's kind of terrible, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna take it all down, and then we have to unbolt this, which appears to be a 12 or 14 millimeter. We'll take off the old bracket, and we can slide the new window in and go from there. Right. So we got the window pieces off. Give you guys a little sneak peek. So you have to raise the window up just a little bit. Yeah. So you can get the bottom one just fine. It's the back side right here. So you have to raise the window up until you can get clearance, and then you can take it off. But now, here, lift it up. I can see in here. Yeah, you can see a little bit. All that glass has to come out. So we're gonna go to the car wash and
It doesn't really fit.
you might just scoop it. Use that foam.
Huh?
Use the foam. Or that. On top of the big. Okay, so Elliott's gonna stand on the outside of the car. I'm gonna stand by the inside. We have the window regulator lined up where it needs to be, and now we need to drop the window in. So let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we finally got the new window in. Fits perfectly. Yeah, look at that. Just make sure when you are clearing out the windows, if you had a broken window like his, run a trim tool along all the edging, and then
especially like get down in here too with the double weather strip there. It likes to hold all of that crap.
it was holding it bad. And then from the bottom portion, if you reach inside here and where the window is, you can actually feel the rubber that it runs down the side. So go ahead and take a trim tool in there, run it up, and kick out any loose glass.
Also, if you're gonna be vacuuming out broken glass, you want to make sure that you've got a very small attachment for your like the tip of your vacuum. Otherwise, you are not going to get all the way down in there. I still got some glass in here, so I'm going to have to take this off again and get back in there with a smaller attachment. A little bit.
Yeah, it's a lot. And even with, as you saw in the hyperlapse, that was 8 minutes of vacuuming. We still weren't able to get it off. But the nozzle attachment, again, is pretty big at the car wash, so a smaller one is needed. Let's go and get this put back together. We're going to put it back together. Controller's unplugged. Oh, side note, if you haven't figured this out, if you're doing this, you have to have the little controller for the windows and stuff. You have to have at least that plugged in so you can move it. Even the driver's side will not operate it if it's unplugged, just so you know. And then, as I said it before, right here, this is where the 2 pull wires hook up to for your door handle. So we'll get a little closer on that to show you how to do it. And it just clips right into there. There's a little slot. Bingo. A little harder to see, huh?
I don't remember how this one went.
It's in the middle.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, almost.
Scheiße.
It just clips on the door right there.
I think that just went.
Yeah, it looks like it's in.
Yeah, it's in.
All right, go ahead and lock the door. That was loud.
And it happened right as I hit the button, and then it undid itself. Why is it unlocking itself?
I don't know. Oh, it's because the controller's not hooked up. It's
Oh, it's freaking out because, okay.
It doesn't want to lock you out of the car. So you need to...
Oh, now it doesn't want to lock me out.
Right. So, all the body pins, make sure you line those all up.
Yeah.
The easiest way I found is using the top of this on top of here.
Lip in there.
Yep, and the little lip.
Let's get.
Yeah, make sure you get your tweeter.
For all them tweets.
And then get your edge. So this side looks like we need to lift up a little bit. There we go. Scion on the bottom?
Huh?
The bottom ones.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think.
I've always had to smack mine.
Wait there. We're here and we're where?
And now it's time to go ahead and install the next piece. Go. You can't mess this up, guys. If you manage to somehow mix the plugs up, you are magic, because it's not possible. What you missing?
My ring. Oh shit.
What's that for?
That's my speaker.
I thought you already plugged it back in, so that was my fault for not paying attention. Party foul. Let's see.
Brute force, brother.
Oh god.
Oh wait, did I just do copyright infringement?
I don't think that's how that works. Parody for copyright.
He gets paid $100 every time somebody shouts brother.
Copyright, no, so it'd be fair rights use because it's for parody use.
So, note to self, this is definitely better done with eyes and not just by feel.
I think a lot of things in life I would agree. Did you connect that?
Yeah.
Wow, alright. Well, I was waiting for you to take the door panel off, but never mind.
I mean, in a past life, I worked with the fire department. I was trained how to do stuff without being able to see what I was doing.
That's fair.
One of the few times I'll ever get to actually use that again.
And we have one clip on which is on the dash, and then we have to screw this guy in.
First, let's put.
And the broken tweeter on.
I mean, the tweet doesn't broken. I just. Oh no, it's a pressure clip altogether.
Oh, is it?
So that is actually a pressure clip because look, it's back in.
Huh. I didn't know that. I just disconnected mine before taking it off.
Wicked.
And now you know.
He's really not joking when he says you can't mess this up.
And knowing is half the battle. Except he might not get it. I don't know.
I might actually mess it up. I'm an exception to the rule. I am Murphy's Law. I am Murphy. I don't think that went on right.
No, that didn't.
Sure did not. Oh, right. What are we missing?
So there's
here,
a
Einstein?
clip. Do you see the top clip?
I see this one, but I
Yeah.
can't seem to line it. I think.
Where's the light at?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Talk bad about
Never mind.
yourself. Get the job done.
All right,
Yeah,
got one.
They said the negative never helps.
One screw. No,
Right
two
behind
screws.
the handle again.
One there, and then there's one that does go a little hole, and then the clip has to go on there. Final screw goes in here.
Oops. Well, I can't really say that because I went through the same thing basically, except
Get different results. Yeah.
doing music and trying to record my own stuff.
I think it's back first and then front.
Yep, back in first and then just push it into place.
All right, test it. Let's roll up the window.
Take
Cool.
that.
You need it to be cleaned, and that's it. She's
Everything
good.
fits.
She's good to go.
I'm just missing my stickers.
But that's it. The window install, honestly, super easy, way easier than I intended or thought it was going to be. So I would say this is a number 1 on a scale of 5 of hardness. Again, take your time. Check out any broken glass if that's why yours is down. And just take your time with it, honestly. Definitely worth doing yourself if you have the know-how. That's it for today's video, guys. Stay safe and have yourself a great day.